Good morning, class 12 science. In our today's class, we'll see how we can distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary amine by Hinsberg reagent, or we also call Hinsberg test. So, benzene sulfonyl chloride C6H5SO2Cl is also known as Hinsberg reagents, reacts with primary and secondary amines to form sulfonamides. So we'll see how these three types of amines react in a different manner with benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is called Hinsberg reagent. So when you take a primary amine and react with this benzene sulfonyl chloride, it will form N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, which is soluble in alkali. So when Hinsberg reagent reacts with the primary amine, it forms N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, which will be soluble in alkali. Next, when benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with secondary amine, it will form N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide, which is insoluble in alkali. So primary amine, the sulfonamide that is formed is soluble in alkali, whereas for the secondary one, the sulfonamide that is formed will be insoluble in alkali, whereas tertiary amines do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. So this property of amines reacting between the benzene sulfonyl chloride in a different manner is used for the distinction of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines, and also for the separation of mixture of amines. Hence, these days, benzene sulfonyl chloride is replaced by para-toluene sulfonyl chloride. So we can use this Hinsberg reagent or Hinsberg test to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Next, we'll see preparation of aniline, how we can prepare aniline. So it can be prepared by the reduction of nitrobenzene. We'll take nitrobenzene and we'll reduce with hydrogen in presence of palladium in presence of ethanol to form aniline. Or we can also use tin or HCl or iron or HCl. So the nitrobenzene will be reduced to aniline. Next, what will happen the chemical reactions of aniline. What will happen when aniline reacts with HCl? So aniline, as we know, it is a base and HCl is an acid. So when a base reacts with an acid, it will produce a salt. So over here, the salt that is formed is anilinium chloride, which has got the formula. This is C6H5NH3 plus Cl minus. Next is acetylation. In acetylation, what will happen? The aniline will react with acetyl chloride, and what will happen? One hydrogen will be replaced by this acetyl group, that is NHCOCH3, that is called acetanilate. Fine. Now today's assignment number 15. Question number 1. How will you distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary amines by Hinsberg test? You explain this along with the help of the chemical equations. Question number 2. How will you prepare aniline from nitrobenzene? And question number 3 is, write the balance equation of the following. 1. Reaction between aniline and HCl. Number 2. Reaction between aniline and acetyl chloride. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.